Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are looking at Rubutia xanthocarpa violaciflora. Absolutely spectacular plant. I think Rubutia are often overlooked for perhaps the more astute collectors, but with flowers like this and a rather impressive form as well, I think they have a place in most collections. They are exceptionally easy to care for, fast growing, although they have an insane level of drought resistance as well. So they're one of those plants that if you care for them, they'll thank you, and if you don't, they'll survive. This plant is coming up on 6 years old. It's in a 100ml pot. It's growing in full mineral, which you won't be able to see because it's due for a repop. But it produces masses of flowers every year and will often flower multiple times throughout the warmer months. So I water these if I'm caring for them around every 7 to 10 days. But I've gone several months without watering them, and they seem to survive quite well. So definitely keep an eye out for Rubutia. Marvelous little plants. This one grows quite large, but more often than not they'll actually just form a cluster, but this one's forming a ridiculously large head. Right everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!